Hi, today I'm going to investigate a castle that's apparently fairly near my home. I don't know how much is left of it, but I'm going to go and see. So, see you shortly. The other thing I'm trying to do today is just a wee bit of map reading. So I've printed off the map to where I'm going, and I've now oriented the map to the ground, almost. So that should tell me that I need to go in that direction to get to the castle, which is down there. So wish me luck. So where that led me to was a fairly thick and steep bramble area. So what I'm going to do is just skirt round it and hopefully come in from the other side. Okay, so there really isn't much left at all. I'll just wander through. For a couple of bits of wall, and that's it. Well, wasn't much there. A view from this side. So on my map, there's a couple of waterfalls that I'm going to go and see if I can find. And see if I can find a little campsite beside them somewhere, which should be quite nice. Right, back in a little bit. Cheers. As before, I've oriented my map with the ground, as described by Craig Bushcraft Padawan, I think he's called. And that says that from the castle here, I should be going due west, down to near the water. I'm going to follow the river back round to this pond here, and there's a couple of falls here as well. So, come back in a while when I've got to where I'm going. Come across a fallen birch here, which helps me get over the fence, but I'm also going to take some of the bark to light a fire. Okay, just taking a strip of bark. Pop that in my pocket. So, over we go. There's a bit more fungus there. So apparently there's some sort of track along the bottom. Quite steep though, so I'm going to have to put the camera in my pocket while I clamber down. Okay, I come down about 10 metres and there seems to be a slight track and a wall of blocks here, which I wonder if maybe was part of the old castle. So I'm going to follow this along. I can hear the river down to my right hand side. So I'll come back in a little while. You know, one thing I keep doing, which is a mistake, is I leave my glasses in the car. I figure that I'm not driving, so I don't need my glasses. But then I come out here and I'm kind of peering across the river to see what's on the other side. I really should bring my glasses. Thought for next time, okay? Now it's probably a good thing that I didn't come straight down, because that there is probably 40-foot cliff straight down to here. So, and then down that side we'll get the river, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get in between the cliff and the river, but I'm going to try. This looks something like a path, Maybe a game trail, I suppose. There are deer here, although there probably won't be with me chattering away. Just thought I'd point this out as well. There's a rather large cliff right above me. Game trail carries on that way. Massive amount of huge boulders down here. Obviously the cliff has collapsed at some point. Let's hope it's not due another one. Look at the size of that rock. So the waterfall's up that way. It's quite dark and gloomy down there though, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, across there, up that side, and there's a kind of bit of grass over there, and hopefully I can get a camping spot that's a little brighter. I'm going to put the camera away while I'll try and negotiate down this slope though, because it's very, very wet and slippy. See you in a wee bit. Right, I'm now over the other side. I didn't fall, luckily, and hopefully just got a little bit here to get out into the daylight again. Okay, there's a kind of nicer open area here. I'm going to see if I can get enough dry wood to get a little fire going. Just round about here looks good. Maybe go a bit further on, just to have a look. Another bit of wall. Now that looks like a wee campsite if I've ever seen one. I need to remove that dead branch up there though. And getting a little bit of sunshine in as well. Ideal. As you can see, nice wee area for campsite here. So I'm going to gather some dry wood, see if I can get a wee fire going. I've got some sausages, I've got some coffee, so that'll be lunch for me today. It is 23rd of September, I think, 22nd or 23rd, and it's really nice. It's about 14 degrees. Nice. So I'll be back in a wee while. Bye. A bit of firewood. damage the other trees in the process. So what I've done the last few minutes is gather some dead wood, some dead standing stuff, and I've segregated it into the smallest kindling up to the larger pieces. That'll keep the fire going. I'm going to scout around and see, get some rocks. This ground round of here is fairly rocky anyway, so I'm going to line it with rocks before I make the fire on it. Okay, back in a wee while. Put it onto this piece here. Go, here we go. Let it fall. Missed it. Walking a bit. I think we're okay. Okay, we're lit. I'll come back when it's a bit more established. So my fire's a bit more established now. I'm going to heat up some water, have a coffee, and then cook my sausages. One thing I didn't remember was a second water container. I've got all my water in my metal flask. However, if I heat my water in the flask, then it will all be hot and I'll have no cold water to drink. So I think I need to bring a second container for water next time. Sausages are nearly done, or just about, and the water is getting to the boil slowly. Maybe need to put it inside the fire on the coals. I'm going to have my sausages first. Lovely jubbly, sitting here reading my book. It's grand. Anyway, see you later. Okay, I've got a bit disorientated on my way back. I've just walked through this field of ferns, which are head height, and I've got a bit more to go through, but my gut instinct is I'm going the right direction, so I have checked the compass and I think it's the right direction. I can still hear the waterfall to my left. Which is correct. Ouch. That'll be brambles then. Oh, a field there. Ouch. Okay, yes, that's a field. However, I'm not negotiating my way through them. and I'm out. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do a wee subscription and like the video. Cheers. Bye.